Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a person in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep your contact details clean and accurate. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left side of your screen. In the navigation bar, click on Contacts to open your list of people. This is where all your contacts are stored. If you have a long list, you can scroll through it or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to edit. Next, click on the specific person. This will open their Details page, which contains all their information, like contact details, organization, and activities. On this page, focus on the left section where the main contact information is displayed. This includes the person's name, job title, email, phone number, and any other fields your team uses. To edit any detail, move your mouse over the field you want to change. You'll see a small pen icon appear. Click on that icon to start editing. Update the information as needed, making sure everything is correct and properly formatted, especially emails and phone numbers. Once you're done, click Save to confirm your changes. This ensures the updated information is stored and reflected everywhere in Pipedrive. And that's it. Just go to Contacts, open the person's profile, click the pen icon, make your changes, and save. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.